When the electricity goes out, it doesn't matter what the weather conditions are, or how you're feeling that day, or if it's the middle of the night. You know you have a job to do. Your job has risks, and while you're at work, there are plenty of things you have to think about. Whether or not your equipment will keep you safe should not be one of them. Irby understands the importance of your safety. We take our job very seriously. Your job is to get the power back on safely. Our job is to keep you safe. Irby Company was founded in 1926 at the dawn of the electrical age and has been testing safety equipment since 1955. Today, we're a division of Sonepar, a global leader in the electrical industry, with regional testing facilities throughout the country. We serve customers across the U.S.
I take a lot of pride in what I do, along with all the people in the test lab who also do take a lot of pride in what they do. We know that these electricians, these linemen, anyone who relies on our services, their lives are dependent on us doing a good job and doing it correctly.
Customers send in rubber gloves and sleeves and all their equipment. They can send it in anything from cardboard boxes to totes to crates. First thing we do when we receive the equipment from the customer is to identify who the customer is, and from that point we enter it into the computer system, and then we put a tag on there so that we can identify the customer and their product and make sure they get everything back that they sent in.
Throughout the check-in process and the rest of the testing process, we emphasize attention to detail to make sure that each customer gets back their class of gloves, their size of gloves, their property, not someone else's.
We are a member of ASTM, which sets testing standards. And we are certified with North American Independent Labs, which assures those ASTM standards are met.
Being NAIL certified means that we're required to take additional steps to ensure that our testing is done properly. The next step of the process is the cleaning process. We remove the previous certification stamp. We do our best to make that glove look and feel like new when it's returned to the customer. We inspect the inside and outside of every glove and every sleeve. If we're testing blankets and line hose, every exposed surface is visually inspected, looking for defects that could render that piece of equipment unserviceable.
In addition to testing, Irby stocks a full line of PPE equipment, so replacements are always available.
During the dielectric testing, the operator of the machine sets the control panel based on the voltage class of the gloves. The gloves are then filled with water and dipped down into a tank of water. The tank becomes energized, and we're basically attempting to pass current through the glove. As long as that glove can withstand that test, it is safe and will protect the end user.
The Irby name means trust, credibility, and no shortcuts. Proper testing means saving lives. You can have confidence in the quality of our process and be assured of its accuracy. Irby was founded on the values of trust, accountability, respect, and professionalism. When your equipment leaves our facility, you can have confidence that the Irby team has done its job, so you can do your job safely.